Hi guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best drones that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below with updated prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The DJI Air 3 is a compact and foldable drone designed for both beginner and professional photographers and videographers. It features the first dual primary camera system in the Air series, with a 1/1.3-inch CMOS wide-angle camera and a 1/1.3-inch CMOS 3x medium telephoto camera, both providing consistent image quality and dynamic imaging possibilities. Capable of capturing 48-megapixel photos and 4K HDR video at up to 100 frames per second, the DJI Air 3 ensures high-quality visuals. With a maximum flight time of 46 minutes, this drone allows for extended aerial shooting sessions. It is equipped with omnidirectional obstacle sensing, enhancing safety by avoiding collisions. The O4 HD video transmission system offers a stable and reliable connection, supporting a maximum video transmission distance of up to 20 kilometers. Special features include intelligent flight modes, quick shots, subject tracking, and enhanced safety measures. The DJI Air 3 also comes with various accessories like ND filters, propeller guards, and power adapters, adding to its versatility. The inclusion of new controllers, the DJI RC2 and DJI RCN2, provides improved control options. Overall, the DJI Air 3 is a versatile and powerful drone ideal for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Its advanced features and ease of use make it suitable for hobbyists and professionals alike, offering a high-quality option for diverse aerial content creation needs. The Autel Evo Lite Plus is a high-end foldable drone designed for professional aerial photography and videography. It features a 1-inch CMOS sensor that captures stunning 20-megapixel photos and up to 6K video resolution, ensuring high-quality images and videos in various lighting conditions. The drone's adjustable aperture from f2.8 to f11 allows for precise control over exposure and depth of field. With a maximum flight time of 40 minutes and a transmission range of up to 7.4 miles, the Evo Lite Plus offers extensive flight capabilities, enabling users to capture the perfect shots without frequent recharges or loss of connection. The drone includes a 3-way binocular obstacle avoidance system, enhancing flight safety. Its foldable design ensures easy portability, making it ideal for photographers and videographers on the move. Advanced features such as the intelligent moonlight algorithm for low-light photography, HDR video support for capturing rich details, and intelligent flight modes like Dynamic Track 2.1 and Waypoint flights simplify capturing professional footage. The Autel Skylink image transmission system provides a reliable connection even in challenging environments. Overall, the Autel Evo Lite Plus is a feature-rich and powerful drone, offering a compelling alternative to DJI drones in the high-end market, perfect for those seeking top-notch aerial photography and videography tools. The DJI Mini 2 SE is a lightweight and compact drone, ideal for both beginners and experienced users. Weighing under 249 grams, it is highly portable and can be flown in most countries without registration. Its foldable design makes it easy to carry, fitting comfortably in the palm of your hand when folded. This drone features a 1/2.3-inch CMOS sensor capable of capturing 2.7K video and 12-megapixel photos. The camera is mounted on a 3-axis gimbal, ensuring smooth and stabilized footage. The DJI Mini 2 SE boasts a maximum flight time of up to 31 minutes on a single charge, allowing ample time for aerial photography and videography. It also supports a 10 km maximum video transmission range, ensuring a reliable connection over long distances. The drone is user-friendly, offering several intelligent flight modes such as quick shots and panorama. Quick shots include automated flight modes like drone, helix, rocket, circle, and boomerang, which help users capture professional-looking videos with ease. Panorama mode supports sphere, wide-angle, and 180 degrees panoramas, automatically stitching together stunning panoramic photos. Additional features include smart return to home, low battery RTH, and fail-safe RTH, enhancing flight safety. Accessories like propeller guards, charging hubs, and carrying bags further enhance its versatility and convenience. Overall, the DJI Mini 2 SE combines portability, high-quality imaging, intelligent flight modes, and practical accessories, making it an excellent choice for any drone enthusiast. The DJI Mini 4 Pro is DJI's most advanced mini camera drone to date, designed for both beginners and professionals. Weighing less than 249 grams, it avoids many drone regulations worldwide, making it ideal for travelers. The drone boasts a maximum flight time of up to 34 minutes on a single battery charge, extendable to 46 minutes with the Intelligent Flight Battery Plus available in the DJI Mini 4 Pro Plus version. Its powerful imaging capabilities include a 1/1.3-inch CMOS sensor that captures 4K at 60 frames per second HDR video, ideal for high-quality social media content. The Mini 4 Pro also features true vertical shooting, perfect for social media posts. The drone's 20 km Full HD video transmission system, powered by DJI's O4 technology, ensures a stable and reliable 1080p at 60 frames per second live feed from significant distances. Safety and ease of use are enhanced by the Mini 4 Pro's omnidirectional obstacle sensing, which detects and avoids obstacles in all directions. This makes it safer to fly in complex environments. Additionally, the drone includes Active Track 360 degrees, allowing it to automatically track and fly around subjects, capturing cinematic footage effortlessly. For experienced pilots, the new manual mode offers more control over flight settings, enabling creative shots. The drone includes multiple accessories like the RCN2 and RC2 controllers, with the RC2 featuring a built-in screen. It is quieter than its predecessors, equipped with LED lights for better orientation and 360-degree sensors for enhanced obstacle detection. Overall, the DJI Mini 4 Pro combines portability, advanced camera capabilities, intelligent flight modes, and a range of accessories, making it an exceptional choice for capturing stunning aerial footage without the need for drone registration. The DJI Mavic 3 Pro is the epitome of excellence in consumer drones, designed to meet the exacting standards of professional photographers, videographers, and cinematographers. Its standout feature is the formidable triple camera system, comprising a 4/3-inch CMOS Hasselblad camera alongside a pair of telephoto lenses, enabling users to capture breathtaking imagery in diverse settings. The Hasselblad camera delivers exceptional performance, capable of shooting in 5.1K at 50 frames per second and 4K at 120 frames per second, with a variable aperture ranging from f2.8 to f11, and boasting a 10-bit D-Log color profile for unparalleled color grading flexibility. Further enhancing versatility, the dual telephoto lenses offer optical zoom capabilities of 3 times and 7 times respectively, ensuring sharp and detailed shots even from a distance. In addition to its imaging prowess, the Mavic 3 Pro excels in flight endurance, boasting an impressive maximum flight time of 43 minutes, among the longest in its class. Safety is prioritized with omnidirectional obstacle sensing utilizing 8 vision sensors and 2 time-of-flight sensors, while the 15 km HD video transmission capability ensures a robust connection between the drone and controller. With advanced intelligent features such as focus track, master shots, and quick shots, alongside automated flight modes like waypoint flight and cruise control, the Mavic 3 Pro streamlines aerial content creation. Available in standard and Cine versions, this drone represents the pinnacle of aerial photography and videography technology, making it an indispensable tool for professionals and enthusiasts alike.